Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be talking about a brand whose products are handmade, 100% natural, no added chemicals, SLS free, SLES free, parabens free. So let's talk about the video, but before starting the video please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done, and press the bell icon because I want everyone to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started with this. Here is the brand which I was talking to you. It is called Ayurveda. So I came to know about this brand from one of my subscription box. I ordered a subscription box and found their product. There was a handmade soap and I really liked that soap. I will talk about that in another video. So here I will be talking about their hair oil and a shampoo. I will make another video for shampoo, otherwise it will be a very long video and I know you people won't watch long videos. So let's talk about this hair oil first of all. So this is Ayurveda Bath and Body Products Herbal Hair Growth Oil. So it's a hair growth oil basically. In today's lifestyle we have so much stress and so much problems that we face this problem very much about hair. Mostly the hair fall problem is one of the main concern of all the female viewers as well as male viewers. Baldness is very common nowadays. So here is the solution for that. So let's talk about the ingredients of this particular product. Ingredients for this are unrefined coconut oil. We all know that people usually in the South India or in the coastal areas apply coconut oil, which is very good for hair. It helps in keeping your hair black. Other than that, it contains castor oil. Castor oil is very good for hair nourishment and improving the hair quality. Other than that, it have curry leaves. Curry leaves are very useful in hair growth. And fenugreek. Fenugreek makes your hair very shiny and silky and helps in making them straight. So other than that, it has onions. I have seen lots of videos on YouTube about hair growth by onion. So it contains onion as well, and the peppermint essential oil. So peppermint essential oil, I really don't know the benefit, but I think peppermint is very good for your hair and also for the other things as well. Also the peppermint has that tingling sensation, kind of cooling and tingling sensation, which makes you which helps you which helps you in refreshing your mind. So this all about this, and the description here is this herbal aromatic oil has 5 benefits. So it promotes very fast hair growth. Other than that, treats all scalp problems very effectively, treats bald spots, promotes new hair growth, prevents split ends, make hair shiny, healthy and strong, stops hair fall completely if used regularly. Regularly doesn't mean you have to apply it every day, but what I do is I apply hair oil before washing, a night before washing usually. So applying it a night before helps it penetrate into your hair, into your scalp very nicely. So this is something really very good, which is you should do. I usually do this, so I prefer doing it. Otherwise, in 1 to 2 hours, it helps in improving your hair texture and quality, but not properly. It doesn't get impacted and fused in your hair properly. So I suggest you to apply it a night before. But those who have very oily skin and get acne after applying the oil, they can definitely use it 1 or 2 hours before. Other than that, you can use it a night before if you have a normal and combination kind of skin. All you have to do is clean your face properly before after using the hair oil, before sleeping, before going to the bed. So this is one thing. Other than that, it has net weight, its weight is 100 gram and it costs you 290 rupees for 100 gram. This hair oil, I have used it. After applying it, it doesn't, for some time you get such peppermint kind of fragrance from your hair, which is slight harsh maybe. If you have used Navratan or Bajaj almond drops, then it won't be harsh for you because it's lighter than that. And after half an hour or 15 minutes, the tingling sensation and the fragrance vanishes out to some extent, and tingling sensation vanishes out properly because it contains peppermint, and peppermint makes you very refreshing and you feel very refreshing after using that. So I really found this hair oil nice, and I will definitely suggest you to try it at least once, because like it is very helpful in hair growth as well as in like improving your hair quality basically. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful, because this is really a good thing to apply on your hair if you want to. And you can purchase their products from Instagram store, I think. Yeah, I have purchased from there only. Other than that, if you want any homemade solutions, I will definitely come up with that as well, but for that I need comments below. So do let me know what you think about this video. That's all about this video. Bye bye, take care, and do not forget to subscribe please.